Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just add a countdown timer in your Shopify store. So to do that, you have to first log in or sign up in your Shopify store. So then you have to just search here as online store. Okay, just do your online store. So as you can see, in my store I have not added till now. So to add, I am adding. So to add, you have to just click here. So in themes, as you can see in themes, we have to just click on here, explore themes. So there are actually two to three methods. So I will explain you three methods. Okay. So the first method is to go here, and as you can see, so you have to go in features. The theme is actually like a paid theme. It's not a free theme. So here you can see the theme name is automation. Okay. So here we have to just search as automation motion empire, as you can see. So here you can see the where is the theme, you can see local showcase division shape effortless baseline. So we can search here as our automation. So we can search here automation. So let's search automation. So a you can search as automation theme. So as you can see, this theme, it is like countdown timer is available. So you can just purchase. It's cost you about $250. Okay. So this is just you can just view the demo store. So to try in your store, you have to pay it like about $250, as you can see. So this theme is like that. Okay. So as you can see, so in this theme, they give the option to add the countdown timer. And the second method to add the countdown timer is to go to your help site. As you can see, help site, the second method. So here you have to sign in with the ID and go to widgets. So here you have to search as countdown timer. So here you have to just create a widget. So as you can see, so uh, so here you can see view the widget. Okay. So I have already created the widget. So I have to just install it. Okay, so to install I have to just copy it with my account. So like it's used one time, I think so. So you have to make the widget and publish it, then you have to copy the code and just come to here. So I've used one time, so I have to make a new ID to use like one more time. So I will just click on customize. So because it's a paid, like a paid, you have just even click upgrade. So as you can see, I have used in one website in my previous website, so I can't like put it in like Shopify. So you can put if you select a light plan by making a new Gmail ID from here. Okay, so just have to come here and have to just go to here as here embedded. So to just write here for code. Okay, just here you can just do animations like that. So go to custom CSS and just add the code that is given here. Okay, when we click install, so this have code install it here. So it will not install my site because I have used it in another site, that's why. So this is the second method. So the third method is to install the app. So to install the app, you have to just click on here, as you can see in app section. So here we have to just like search here as countdown. Okay, countdown, and that's enter. So here the result, as you can see, we have countdown timer. So we can use this essential countdown bar, time bar. So it's 7 days free trial. It gives 7 days free trial, and you have to pay a $7 a month. So you can use this. So if you just click on add app, so here you can see you have to just install the app on your Shopify store. So you can see like it can handle up to 1000 views in a monthly. When you will upgrade the plan, that will be like according to plan. So we will create a timer, create a new timer. So you can see here's our timer option. So it's in a plan, so we can just go to set the timer type. Okay, so here is a timer name. So we can just name as like a sale. Okay, sale, and then we can add a subheading here, and we can add a button. So we can just do entire tab is clickable. We can do entire tab is clickable. Okay, so here's the link that will be like uh, directed. So we can just do select days are, so we can do it minute. So we can just like we can do as countdown timer fixed time. So we can do as this as we can do 5. We can do a 5 minute. We continue to Zen. So you can see these are the minutes. So you can see. So you can just change the color of the borders and customize according to your creativity level. So you can do. So if you click on this publish button, so it's have been added. So we can just preview our countdown investor. So as you can see, this is where you can see at the top countdown is here in our sale, as you can see. So if anyone would like here, this you can see it's in sale. So if any customer will come, they will see as this bag is sale for only for 5 minutes. They will like directly purchase. So this is how you can just add a countdown timer to your Shopify store. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.